Well, shit.
Standing ovation, an amazing speech from our expert in exploring. Truly motivational.
Let's just try and find a way out of here while we wait for this to pass. What was that?
As if I know.
Did you say that is what I'm asking?
Yes, I'm the monster of the brain, and my special powers? I said, Goldmind! You caught me, detective.
I'm being serious, Steph. This isn't funny. Holy shit, dude.
Johnny, where are you? I'm not your babysitter, bro. Is there anything else in your vocabulary?
No, ma.
Good chat.
Get the hell away from me!
What's the word, Goldmind?